2.3 lakh rupees crore. That is the exact amount Indian retail investors lost in F&O trading alone in just 3 years, between 2021 and 2024, according to SEBI's own official report. That's not a global number. That's Indian families, Indian salaries, Indian dreams, quietly transferred into the pockets of institutions who designed the game so you could never win. Here's what your broker will never tell you at their fancy glass office in Nariman Point. Every single time you buy or sell a stock, they earn a commission, whether you profit or lose. In fact, a broker at a leading Indian firm earns up to 8,000 rupees per month just from your account activity alone. Your losses are literally their salary package. Now let's talk about mutual funds, the so-called safe option your uncle swears by. The average actively managed mutual fund in India charges a 1.5% to 2.25% expense ratio annually. Sounds small? On a 10 lakh rupees portfolio over 20 years, that silent fee steals over 18 lakh rupees from your final corpus. That's a second-hand car. That's your child's college fees. Gone, silently. In 2017, a SEBI investigation exposed that several top brokerage research analysts were issuing strong buy ratings on stocks they secretly held, pumping the price, then selling at the peak while retail investors flooded in. One analyst in Mumbai made 4.2 crore rupees in 6 weeks using this exact method. When the stock crashed 68%, the small investors were left holding the bag. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, India's own Warren Buffett, worth over 45,000 crore rupees at his peak, his biggest secret wasn't stock-picking genius. It was patience married to information. He bought Titan Company shares in 2002 at just 3 rupee per share. By 2022, those shares touched 2,800 rupees. A 93,000% return. Not luck. A system. A mindset. A different game entirely. Here is the single most powerful secret that Wall Street and Dalal Street both bury. Over any 15-year period, more than 92% of actively managed funds in India fail to beat a simple Nifty 50 index fund. 92%. Yet every broker, every relationship manager, every TV expert pushes expensive active funds because index funds pay them zero commission. Your returns are the collateral damage of their incentive structure. Nitin Kamath, founder of Zerodha, India's largest discount broker with over 1.3 crore active clients, publicly admitted that most traders would be better off doing absolutely nothing. In a 2022 interview, he said, and I quote, "If you're trading daily, the house always wins." The man who built a 28,000 crore rupees company on trading fees is telling you to trade less. Let that sink in for a second. So what actually works? 3 non-negotiable moves. First, shift your mutual funds from regular to direct plans immediately. That single switch saves 1% annually, worth 12 lakh rupees extra on a 20 lakh rupees portfolio over 20 years. Second, invest in Nifty 50 or Nifty Next 50 index funds via SIP starting with just 500 rupee per month. Third, never invest in anything your broker calls exclusive opportunity. That urgency is engineered to bypass your logic. India will have 25 crore new investors by 2030. Most of them will be deceived by the same old system unless they have information like this. You just watched 12 minutes that most people spend 12 years discovering the hard way. If this video saved you even 1 lakh rupees in future mistakes, share it with one person who deserves to know. Subscribe and hit the bell. We drop life-changing money facts every single week.